I'm standing on the rooftop of a 3-story townhouse here in Manayunk. Behind me, that is I-76, trafficy as usual. We'll take you guys in. Quick tour. I'm gonna shoot a video of this property as well. So you got a nice little mini bar. Nice little mini bar set up here for you to entertain folks if you're, going up to the 3rd floor or up to your rooftop balcony. We are now into the master suite. We'll walk into the bathroom first. Beautiful bathroom. Walk in. So, very beautiful. So yeah, very nice. Here's the other part of the bedroom. Nice, large walk-in. Okay, here's the 2nd floor. You got a bedroom in here, full bath. This is your utility closet, so your hot water heater, washer and dryer, so your laundry room. And then you got another bedroom here. Just full bath, walk-in. Here's your living room area. Another mini bar here. Half bath. And then another little side balcony right over here. This is as good as it gets up here in Manayunk. Let's pop downstairs and see what that's hitting for. Okay, here's the garage. The entire property right here. Okay, go back in. We'll shoot this video. I mean, these are all top of the line finishes. So, pay for top of the line, you get top of the line. 3 beds, 3.5 baths, 3,500 square feet. 1 car attached garage. You're looking at about 1,125.